Hey, this is Roy from Cloud9 Classics here in Alpharetta, Georgia, inside my showroom checking out this gorgeous 1955 Ford F100. This one was restored a little over 2 years ago. Beautiful Calypso coral color. It was a rust-free cab to start out. It's an all steel body truck. Absolutely beautiful. Ready to show and go, and it was built to drive and enjoy. Gentleman who restored this truck has restored 22 of these F100s, so let's say he knows what he's doing. Okay, absolutely gorgeous body. Paint is beautiful. Body lines are excellent. Doors shut fantastic. I'll show you that when I go to start it up. Sitting on a beautiful set of 17-inch smoothies painted to match. This is one that was built to be driven, and it's all Ford in the drivetrain. So you've got a built Ford 64 Ford FE 390 motor that's been bored out 30 over. Runs fantastic. Edelbrock aluminum heads, aluminum performer intake, Edelbrock 750 carb. Great drivetrain. You've also got Ford front clip. It's got a Crown Vic independent front suspension, front sway bar, power steering, power front disc brakes, rear end is a Ford 9-inch, 325 gears, so great for getting up on the highway. Beautiful bed. Brand new when this was restored 2 years ago. Front and rear bumpers have been tucked just a little bit, give it a real nice look. So you've got a real original looking body, but nicely resto modded with the updated drivetrain. It's also a super comfortable truck to be in and drive and enjoy. Beautiful interior, custom done. It's got a fold down armrest. Headliner was done to match. Flaming River tilt column, vintage specialties, air conditioning and heat. What I love is he left the original gauges. They work, the speedometer is accurate, and then he added some gauges there for your temp, volts, oil pressure. You've got a tach, an updated stereo that looks like an original type stereo, but modern technology. Sounds great. Low car automatic shifter, C6 automatic transmission. You also have a low car emergency brake that does work. Can't say enough about how well this thing drives. It hits the road with plenty of power. I'll let you hear it start up and running. He also did a push button start. So all you've got to do is turn the key to the on position, push it and go. Great sound from the 2.5-inch exhaust that runs out through the rear. Let you hear it running. Does that truck sound good? And I'm telling you, this one runs and drives as good, if not better than it looks. You'll love this truck. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Thanks very much. Good luck.